Hey guys, it's Antonio Portis here, coming to you live from Meridian, Mississippi. I'm at McDonald's right now and just sitting down chilling. I'm finna get ready to start some marketing. I haven't done any personal development yet, but I just want to shoot a quick video out there because, you know, an interesting blog I read by David Sharp. He said that everybody has a story to tell. Some people don't believe that they have a story to tell, but everybody has a story to tell. It's something that went through your life, you know, that you went through or that you are going through, things that you don't think is important, things that seem like, you know, hopeless, and you found your way out of it, and you know, you got stories like that to keep building and building and building up. And, you know, the purpose of this video is to encourage you to share your story. You know, this is the one reason why we gave people blogs, so you can share your story, how you risen out of ashes, how you get out of certain situations. When you look at my blog, a lot of my stuff is inspirational. A lot of it mostly personal at the first beginning of my blog, because I didn't really know how to write a blog. But you know, over time and developing skill, you know, I know how to write a little bit better, and I switched to video blogging, which is way more better and quicker. And I just want to really touch bases right there. I want people to understand that you have a story to tell, no matter what you're going through, how the situations look. You know, don't think it's important or not. Somebody's out there dying to hear what you have to say. Somebody's in a fire that you can actually have the fire extinguished to put it out in their life. And they need that, you know, they need their help. They need your strength, they need your story, they need your advice, they need your courage and your strength to know that somebody that maybe seems like they're a little bit better than them or a little bit less to them, who could tell you, hey, I was there, you know, that makes a big difference in some people's lives. So, tip of the day, I just want y'all to go out there and ask, you know, just tell your story and just keep going, you know, ask for the right questions to people and just have a nice day. It's a marvelous Sunday, so y'all don't work too hard. I'm not finna work hard myself. You have a nice day. God bless. Peace.